Level 9, solve the inequality, -1 times x minus 8, close the bracket, times x minus 12, close the bracket, is less than 0. We're looking at a parabola that's, the a is negative, it's opening down, and we have the zeros, positive 8 and positive 12. The vertex, the h is going to be between the 8 and the 12, which is 8 plus 2 is 10, and 10 plus 2 is 12, so it's going to be 10. But I can just take the average, so 8 plus 12 is 20, divided by 2 is 10. Then the k, I'm going to feed it into this equation, is -1 times, open bracket, the x value, take away the 8, close the bracket, times the x value, take away 12, close the bracket, 4. 10, 4, this is opening down. It's going to look something like this. And we know the zeros. The zeros are 8 and 12. So if I put that through 8, that should go through 12. We want to know when it's less than 0. Draw when it's less than 0. A hollow dot, because it's less than 0. We are shading down this way. The hollow dot here, we're shading down this way. When x is a member of, from negative infinity, rejecto bracket on negative infinity, to 8 and rejecto bracket on the 8. Union from 12, rejecto bracket on the 12, to infinity. Always rejecto bracket on infinity. And then we press answer to see if we're right. Solve the inequality, -1/2 times x minus 2, close the brackets, times, open brackets, x minus 14, close the brackets, is greater than or equal to 0. The zeros are 2 and 14, which makes the center 8. I'm going to take the average of the 2 and 14, add them together, divide by 2, 8. The k, I'm going to replace the x with 8. We have -1/2 times 8 minus 2, click on the 8 to get the 8, times the x value, 8 minus 14. That gives us 18. We have 8, 18 right here. I'm going to make one of my zeros the point. 2, 0, 2, like that. And that goes also through 0, 14. We want to know when this is greater than or equal to 0. With my pencil, I'm going to put a solid dot on the 2 and a solid dot on the 14. Then we're shading where it's greater than, where the parabola is greater than 0. That region. That's when x is a member of, from 2 to 14 included. X is a member of, excepto bracket on the 2 to the 14, excepto bracket on the 14, and then we press answer to see if we're right. And that is it for level 9. Have a good day.